A gun range in Riverside is under fire for giving women the chance to fire for free. CBS 2's Andrea Fujii is live at the gun range in Riverside with that story. Andrea.
Pat, the shooting range was packed tonight with both men and women at what may be their last ladies' night, all because one man claims it's discriminatory. 17-year-old Michaela Govea says she loves to shoot, and ladies' night at Riverside Magnum Range allows her to do it for free.
The world's crazy. It's something that I think everyone should understand and know how to.
Owner Peter Lee says he started ladies' night a few years ago, scrubbing the $15 range fee for any woman who wants to practice shooting in hopes it'll cut down on accidental shooting deaths.
If the woman come here, they might know more chance to handle the gun safely.
But Lee says this will be the last ladies' night after he got this letter from an Orange County man who claims since he had to pay while attending a ladies' night, he deserves compensation and is threatening legal action. It reads in part, promotions such as those mentioned above constitute civil rights violations under the California UNRRA Civil Rights Act and entitle the individual subject to discrimination to statutory damages. Men can come to ladies' night but must pay. Michaela's dad says he's fine with that and is upset this will be the last.
Maybe this guy doesn't have a mother or a sister or a daughter. I don't know.
Michaela says she, too, wishes he'd have a change of heart.
He could come pay for it. I mean, I don't understand why he would cut off other people's.
Now, Lee says his lawyer advised him to stop ladies' night altogether, but he says that he is willing to go to court to fight for it. Now, I did reach out to the man threatening legal action, but did not hear back. Pat and Rick, back to you.